Want to fix threads not loading post or comments issue? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. Now, the first thing you want to do is force a manual refresh. For that, you want to drag down in the feed. This reissues network requests and often snaps stocked content back into place. If that doesn't work, you want to close the Threads app. For that, exit out of the Threads application, open up your app switcher and then simply swipe it away. Then relaunch the app and reset any hung processes. If your post and comments still won't appear, you want to clear the app's local cache. For that, open up your settings, tap on the option of apps. You will find all the applications installed on your device here. Scroll down through this list, then find Threads. Now tap on that. Now tap on the storage option. Then you want to select clear cache. Once that is done, reopen Threads and check if your problem is fixed. You also want to be using the latest version of the Threads app. To do so, open up Play Store, search Threads. If you find update, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.